I don't want to go there because there is too much hot because of the people. The parking, Taglo College. See, going picture. It's far from them.
Ang init. Buti na lang may payong akong dala. Init pa kasi tanghali. Alauna pa lang ng hapon. Bili lang si Lucas ng ticket. So, ito pala yung ticket prices nila. Adult is 75. Child is 40. Make sure to put your wristband. Hindi kami nagbayad ng train. Mag-explore lang kami. Which one is closer? This one? Asian Village? So this is African Village. Reptile? Oh my gosh. See? Where is the snake? Very small. Komodo She'll answer you. Hi. He doesn't want to get up.
Yeah, break time, lunch time.
Bring banana next time. Train coming. So we are going now. Papunta na kami sa next village, Asian Village. Let's see the animals. They are sleeping and hiding. Nice. Ang view. Indian.
Yeah, you.
Do you like hot or cold? Ay.
But you know what? Others are normally seen as vulnerable. That means for aversion purposes, because Africa pay customers. So others need open in the future. Or they depend on, which is very important for the survival of a certain plant species. So we need the coatis, and coatis need trees to survive. Great job! Alright, come on! Alright, it's the rope! Alright, great job! Okay, almost on. Great!
On your right, we have buffaloes. On your right, we have the white stocks there, those ones. These ones are called Watusi. They are cattle. They come from Uganda and Rwanda. They are very rare to find. If you are opening their mouth there in the middle, there's one opening their mouth. They feed on chicken. They are cannibals. Those are the most successful hunters in the wild. Success rate in hunting is 80%. Compared to the lions, which have 25 to 30, tigers are 15 to 20. These ones, they surround their prey before they attack. The second largest producer of milk after the cattle. Their milk is used to make mozzarella cheese.